What's good, y'all? It's your boy Mark, back with another video. If you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also click the notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. What I did was I had went on Instagram and I had asked my followers, basically, which one did they struggle with the most out of discipline, taking profit, staying out the market, or getting in the market. Basically, I had 45% people say discipline, 45% said discipline, 10% taking profit, 15% staying out the market, and 30% getting into the market. And that right there was a mind blower that 30% of people still 30% of people say get into the market, which is, which is normal. A lot of people still don't know when to buy and when to sell and stuff like that. So basically, man, I just want to say, if you having any of these issues, you don't have to buy anything from me, but you definitely need to find somebody that's doing what you like. My bad, y'all. Get help. You just gotta tighten up. I feel like basically discipline is the #1 thing that I put on here. And when you trading, your strategy or whatever you using should already have a built-in setup, so you know when to get in. So if you don't have a built-in setup or knowing why you getting in, then you need to reevaluate a little bit and come up with some type of edge. Because if you're trading without an edge and you asking to get your account blown, you're just guessing if you don't have an edge. Taking profit, that's another one too. Like, your strategy definitely should have a point to where you know how much you're risking to make. And that comes with lot size as well. What lot size you're gonna use. All of these tie in, like really all of these tie in if you really think about it. Now staying out the market after you took profit, you feel me? Staying out the market is so many times where, bro, I have been in profit. I'm talking about good amount of profit in a day. And then guess what happened? Your gambler mindset come on. Oh, I got this much money that I can try to, triple or double. And then you end up losing it all. It may not be in one trade. It may be in pieces, because you're getting frustrated, or you over leveraging, or you revenge trading. You could easily just stop and still be up, So at the end of the day, staying out of the market is very, very important, man. Whether you took a loss or a win, if you're really being honest, because I also got to know it's okay to take a loss and that you don't got to give it back. Because that one time that you just, okay, that's cool, I'll come back tomorrow. The one time you do that can literally start to set your brain up with it's okay to lose, and then you'll see, oh, I lost yesterday. Oh, today I made 2,000. The next day I made another 2,000. And that one day that you lost, you're not even gonna really even remember it. You're gonna remember it, but you're not, you're not gonna really even be thinking about it. So it's like, man, stand out the market, bro. It's honest. I'm my bad, y'all. I know I'm gonna stand on the market a little long, but I feel like staying out the market sometimes is the best thing to do. Like, you're in. Think about it like this. This is how I want you to think about it. When you're not in the market, you're in control. Okay, you in control no matter what. You can't lose, you can't win. You in control. As soon as you enter the market, everything is now out of your control. No matter if you've seen, the best setup or the setup that you've seen over and over and over again, it still could go left. You get what I'm saying? So it's definitely out of your control. The only thing that's in your control when you are trading, is your lot size. Once again, where you getting in at, where you getting out at, and your risk, bro. Like, you can control that stuff, but as far as what the market actually does, no sir, can't do that. So once you focus on that, man, detachment, stuff like that, it'll become way more, easier. So let's talk about some of the setups that I done took this week. US 30 is nice. Monday, I ended up taking this buy right there. It was a little choppy, weird vibe, type of vibes. Like, it came up, but let me tell y'all a little background on this trade. So it came up, it hit my TP. I took partials. I took partials. I didn't hold. I took partials. Because I was expecting to come all the way back up here. but it ended up coming all the way back down. I still didn't get out. I held it, and then it shot all the way back up, and I just got out right here. I didn't even hold it up there on Monday. So this was a weird day right here on Monday. All right. Now, yesterday on the Zoom call, all right, with the group, I do Zoom calls Tuesday, Thursday. You know what I'm saying? I enjoy doing that with the group, man. We be learning and earning at the same time. But right here, we took a buy. All right, took a buy up to that zone. Teach one session, you know, 1 or 2 setups a day. So I try not to send out a lot of setups, but they do be looking good, y'all. But right here, as soon as that buy came up to that zone, bro, took that sell. Because if we look to the left, it was so many taps. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what I'm saying? And then I think, let me go to the 4 hour. I think that was that same. Yeah, that was that same zone on that 4 hour I was on up there. I honestly was expecting it to break. I think I was expecting it to break this day because I was like, it's still up here. You feel me? But it didn't. It dropped. All right, so end up doing that. My TP was right here, but this day right here, I ended up actually just letting it run. And I made some really nice profits, all right, off of here. And I took about a day and a half for this whole move to play out. I expect to play out. That's another thing I wanted to tell y'all, man. Like, I'm a true scalper. The way my strategy is set up, most of the time the entries are able to be held, like, and catch some nice points. So, did that today. Today I was right here. What I was looking at today, man, it was more like a weird reverse head and shoulder. Like, to me, like, it may not make sense, but it looked like it just did so much around the zone, but it actually broke through. So when my time came to trade, I waited for the fake out, all right, and I took the buy, and then, you know, it kept going. But the reason why I was more in tune with the buy is because of the news that came out. All right, it was some news that came out with the oil. Okay, they had some positive news on that, and that what made it shoot up. And you see, it actually came up. I don't feel like this a break because when we look to the left, it's another little supply zone right here. So we may see this come back down. Other than that, it was a nice day, you know. And once again, I let this run. All right, I stepped out right here. This is where I thought it was going, and it was gonna come back. Because as you see right here, this candle right here, tap, and then it came at. I was like, okay, so it just came out to the supply zone. It was gonna tank, so I ended up getting out. But no, it kept shooting, and I ain't take no more entries because I was like, it's just too high right now, and it was too late in the day, way outside my trading time, so I left it alone. But other than that, y'all, man, everything lit, everything good, bro. We just vibing out. Just vibing out, going crazy. Like I said that day, literally pointed it out so many times. You know what I'm saying? Like, we get it in, y'all. We get it in. My mentees text me every day showing me their results, and it makes me so proud because these are the same mentees that didn't know as much as they know today. So as long as the people around me growing, I'm growing, accounts growing, everything lit. That's pretty much it for this video. If you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Other than that,